Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another one. My name is Utkarsh. I live in Poland. I make vlogs. And before starting this video, I really request all of you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, it gives me motivation to keep creating more and more content. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe कर दो यार. वो जो लाल कलर का बटन है ना, वो उस पे कुछ भी दे मारो, मैं नहीं जानता, बस सब्सक्राइब हो जाना चाहिए. So in my last video, I just put my thought. I'm really amazed that I got really so much hate for that video and also so many dislikes, but I don't really care. There were people who were really able to feel what I'm saying. Before watching this video, so just make sure you go and watch my previous video. So in today's video, I want to talk about 10 reasons why you should study in Poland, because why not? So first of all, let me clarify this video is not sponsored or paid by any of the consultancies. Recently, many of the consultancies, they have been approaching me for brand collaboration. I'm just another student. I'm studying in Poland from already 2 years. So in this video, I'm just gonna give my opinions, like why you should study in Poland. These are the 10 points which I feel is very important if you wanna choose Poland as your study destination. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So before starting this video, let me spill some facts. So currently there are 72,743 international students in Poland from 143 countries worldwide. So from these numbers, you can actually have an idea like why many people are actually choosing Poland. So let's get to the first point. So the first point is high quality education in English without IELTS. In Poland, there are so many reputed universities. These universities are so old, some of them even gets back to 17 or 1800s. There are so many universities which have QS ranking of 300 or 400. There are wide number of programs you can choose from. They are well accredited. That's how you say it, right? Accredited. They are accredited from so many different organizations, and the degrees from these Polish universities, they are recognized all over the Europe and all over the world. So let's go to the second reason. The second reason to choose Poland is because of its affordable tuition fees. Polish universities, the tuition fees are really very affordable. I know back when I was in India, I was really thinking that is the tuition fees affordable? Can my parents will be able to afford the tuition fees? So at average, the tuition fees in Polish universities are usually around 3 to 4,000 euros per year. The tuition fees can depend according to the course what you are studying. So if you are looking for a country to study abroad with a very affordable tuition fees, then Poland is your answer. So let's come to the third point. The third point is low cost of living. In Poland, the cost of living is very less. You can easily survive with 3 to 4,000 euros a month. As I come from India, I can compare the prices of the things in Poland. Most of the things are actually the same prices as India. For example, a bottle of milk will be at the same price of what I would pay back in India. Prices of things are not really very expensive. I would say it's more over same like India or a little bit more expensive than India. So yeah, if you want to study in Europe and if you want to study in some country where the living expenses is very low, then Poland is again your answer. So let's get to the fourth point. So the fourth point is good accommodation facilities in universities. The accommodation facilities provided by the universities in Poland are like really great. Facilities which the Polish universities provide is just amazing. In the dormitory, they provide you all the basic things. They have all the basic amenities which a student will need. And personally, I think the universities here in Poland, they are doing a really great job by providing the student accommodations to international students. It's just great. No matter if you're going to a small city or a very big city, all the public universities especially, they have a very great accommodation facilities. And somewhere you'll have that kind of mental peace that when you go to Poland, you'll have a place to live. And personally, I think it's very great. So that's a very big thumbs up. And also the student dormitories are really very affordable, and the prices of the dormitories are somewhere from 4 to 600 zlotys per month, which is somewhere around 12 to 15,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, the dormitories in Poland are really cheap, and I think it is the best place to live if you want to save some money. So now let's talk about the fifth point, and the fifth point is good and vibrant cities. And personally, I always wanted to live in Europe because while growing up, I have watched a lot of European cities in so many Bollywood movies. And I really wanted to go and visit each of these places. So yeah, that is one of the reasons I choose Poland. And the cities in Poland, they are very old, they are very vibrant, and each city holds its own culture, its own history. So yeah, for me that's a very cool thing. And in case if you want to see the pictures of these beautiful cities, you can go through my Instagram and just make sure you follow me on Instagram. Actually, I cannot upload everything on YouTube, so just make sure you stay connected with me on Instagram, and you can always write to me on Instagram. So now let's talk about the sixth point. So the sixth point will be great career opportunities. In case if you don't know, the economy in Poland is really very stable and it's just growing at a very good rate. There are so many international companies who are investing in Poland. and the government is also very supportive when it comes to startups. I can see there are a lot of startups coming up, especially in Warsaw and especially in my city Wrocław. So more number of startup equal to more career opportunities and more job opportunities. So yeah, that's another reason to choose Poland as a study destination. So now let's talk about the sixth reason. So the sixth reason will be international exposure. Yeah, I know बहुत लोग मेरे से बोलते हैं यार उत्कर्ष, why I should study abroad? I can also study this course in India or I can also study in course back home. इंडिया में पढ़ के आपको वो नहीं मिलने वाला जो ठीक है जो आपको यहाँ पढ़ के मिल जाएगा. बात समझ लो इतना ठीक है. So I would say कि in general studying in your home country doesn't give you much of international exposure. वो exposure आपको बाहर जाके मिलता है. When you study abroad, you meet a lot of people. You experience a whole different culture, different people, different food, and everything is just different. So personally, I can say this: when you study abroad, you feel a lot more confident because here you don't have your family. आपके parents नहीं यहाँ पे आपके लिए वो कुछ नहीं करने वाले. So you have to manage your own expenses. You have to wash your own dishes. You have to do your own laundry. आपको सब कुछ खुद से ही करना है. So you feel a more self-sufficient. After studying abroad for 2 years, I can clearly say is when you live abroad, when you study abroad, you have that kind of inner strength. आपके अंदर वो bounce back करने की ability और strength आ जाती है कि कुछ भी होगा तो यार देख लेंगे. ठीक है. And the last 3 reasons are just my personal reasons and they can be reasons for fun. So the 8th reasons will be cheap vodka alcohol. If you are that person who likes to party a lot, so I think Poland is your destination. In Poland, actually, yes, the alcohol is cheaper than water. The day I landed in Poland, I couldn't believe when I went to the supermarket to buy a bottle of water, it was like for 100 Indian rupees, like 5 zlotys. A bottle of beer was for 2 zlotys, which was like 40 Indian rupees. So yeah, in Poland, the alcohol is cheaper than water. So I think that's the reason I don't drink a lot of water. I drink more alcohol. You know what I'm saying? If you are that person who drinks a lot of alcohol and who spends a lot of money on alcohol, then Poland is your destination. And the 9th point, which is I think one of the most important point. So the 9th point is beautiful girls. Yes, in Poland the girls are really very beautiful, and I think these are one of the most beautiful girls I've ever met in my life. Every girl on the street is so beautiful. I mean, you know what I'm saying, like you know what I'm saying, right? But yeah, I mean, every girl here in Poland is very beautiful and there are a lot of options to choose from. I mean, I'm just kidding, don't quote me on that. So yeah, if you are the type of person who just moved to a new country just for girls, so Poland is again your destination. Personally, I shouldn't think you should just move to a country just because of girls, but I know I get a lot of DMs from people who are back in India or who are banging some other country and they have Polish girlfriend. It's like a long distance relationship. Only reason they want to come to Poland because they have Polish girlfriend. So I don't know what you are up to in life, but I don't think you should just move to any other country just because of a girl. And in case if any Polish girl is watching this video who doesn't have a boyfriend, so just comment down below. I mean, I'm down, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding. So let's talk about the 10th and the final point. So the 10th and the final point will be lower crime rate. Yes, in Poland the crime rate is really very low. I have seen a lot of stats that Poland is among one of the countries which has the lowest crime rates in the whole Europe and whole European Union. So I would say if you are looking for a country which is very safe and if you are looking for a country which has very low crime rate, then Poland should be your option. And also in general, the police here is very friendly. They are very friendly towards foreigners. If you go to a police or if you give a call to 911, even few weeks ago when I was flying the drone in the market square, police caught me and they were very friendly. They just came to me and they just told me to not fly the drone in that area because it was not allowed. In general, the police here is very friendly towards foreigners. So yeah, I think that's pretty much for this video. I really hope you got something out of this video. If you did, just make sure you hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see my life more, because anyways I cannot upload everything on YouTube, so just make sure you follow me on Instagram. And in case if you want to support me by any means, so just make sure to check the link in the description. You can donate $1 or more. I'll be really thankful. That's it for the video and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, peace. कोई नहीं दिख रहा है यार, कोई नहीं दिख रहा है, बस मैं दिख रहा हूँ और तुम, और कोई देख ही नहीं रहा है यार. क्यों फंबलिंग कोई देख ही नहीं रहा है, बस मैं तुम और तुम देख रहे हैं यार. I just want to say that Polish girls are really very beautiful and there are a lot of options to choose from. I know I sound like womanizer, right? But yeah, I mean, that's how it is. But yeah.